In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out Image Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to isolate a subject from its background using just a couple of shortcuts and a clean selection. First, make sure your image layer is selected in the Layers panel so the software knows what you want to work on. Now press W on your keyboard. This activates the Selection Brush tool, which is perfect for painting a selection around your subject. Think of it like a smart highlighter. As you paint, it looks for edges and snaps the selection to them. Next, trace the image. Start with broad strokes over the main subject, then zoom in to refine the edges. You can adjust the brush size on the fly for better precision. A larger brush is great for big areas, and a smaller brush helps along hairlines, hands, or other detailed edges. As you paint, look closely at the marching ant's outline. If the selection grabs too much background, hold Alt or Option to subtract from the selection, then paint back along the edge to pull it in. Work your way around the entire subject, taking your time at tricky transitions where foreground and background are similar. Don't hesitate to undo a stroke if it goes too far. Quick, smaller passes often give cleaner results than one big sweep. If the tool hesitates on busy textures, keep painting lightly over the desired area. Each pass gives the algorithm a little more context to find the correct boundary. It also helps to follow the natural contours of the subject rather than cutting straight across. The tool recognizes consistent edges more accurately when you move with them. Once you are satisfied with the outline, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. This creates a new layer from your active selection, effectively lifting your subject onto its own layer. You've just made your cutout. You can verify it by momentarily toggling the visibility of the original image layer. The new layer should contain only the subject with transparent pixels around it. From here, the cutout is ready to be placed into a new design, composited over a different background, or kept for later reuse. That's all there is to it. Press W to activate your selection brush, carefully trace the image to define a clean selection, and press Ctrl+J or Command+J to create the cutout on a new layer. Keep practicing on different images and you'll get faster and more accurate with every pass.